I always liked to run, but from some years to now, the pain in my knees have become a part of my life. At first, I thought that it was something temporary, but it just has become even worse than in the past. Even climbing the stairs, getting out of bed, walking to the store, it gets more difficult with the time. Everything hurts. I tried anti-inflammatories, physical therapy, supplements, but nothing seemed to give me any kind of relief. The thing with the pain in my knees is that it not only affects my body, it also affects my mood. I stopped doing the things that I love, like, for example, jogging every Sunday on the cycle path. At the Medicina Holística y Alternativa Clinic, they explained to me about the stem cell treatment. They said that basically these cells help to regenerate damaged tissues, and this really goes beyond just easing the pain. They actually regenerate the cells so it can reduce the inflammation, for example. That's one of the most common symptoms for me. The procedure was simpler than I thought, and I always felt supported by the medical team. They explained to me every step, and that really gave me a lot of confidence. Today, I can walk without fear. I am climbing the stairs without the pain that I used to have, and I am also going to return to the cycle path next Sunday. Getting my mobility back means getting my life back.